Welcome to our Fair Food episode of the Co-op Cookin' Show, powered by Arkansas Valley Electric.
We're amateur chefs and co-hosts. I'm Barbara Jenkins.
And I'm Emily Reams.
Today, we're going to feature how you and your family can enjoy fair foods
anytime you want them.
You can't have fair food without having lemonade. So we have all of the fixins for Pat's Kitchen Fair Lemonade.
So a couple weeks ago, you went to the Arkansas State Championship Horse Show, right?
Yes.
And that's when you went down the Midway and you found Pat's Kitchen.
Yes. So every year I attend the Arkansas State Championship Horse Show, which is the largest open horse show in the world. It's held each Labor Day weekend at Barton Coliseum, located at the Arkansas State Fairgrounds in Little Rock. And since I was 4 years old, I've been competing at this show, and my absolute favorite part of the weekend is getting a freshly squeezed lemonade and a funnel cake. But funnel cake's later in this episode, spoiler alert. So I went down for my yearly lemonade fix and went to Pat's Kitchen, and I was blessed enough to get their recipe. So we're going to make that for you guys today. Once you squeeze your lemon, you're going to get your cup, add your lemons to it, or lemon to it, add your juice.
And now we're going to stir up our sugar in the water.
So at Pat's Kitchen, they use a 5-gallon bucket for their sugar water, and then they actually have a lemon squeezer that does it for them, and they put the lemonade in 32-ounce cups with a straw. It's one of those souvenir, but these are 20-ounce cups that we have here. Went ahead and put a full lemon in. Gonna hope that it just gives that just a little bit more of a twang. That's my personal preference, but if you want to make this at home, it is basically a 1-to-1 ratio. So what they did is a 5-gallon bucket, 5 pounds of sugar, and what we've done is the 2 gallons and 2 pounds of sugar.
I love their lemonade.
Me too.
Okay.
All right, it's time to taste test.
That's so good.
It's so good.
It's very sweet, but it tastes like fair lemonade.
My day is made. Oh, that's good.
This would be really easy to make for parties.
Oh yeah, because
it's birthday party or potluck at work. Because we could squeeze the lemons and then just toss them in the whole thing.
Absolutely. Yeah, it doesn't have to be lemon per cup.
Right.
At all.
So good though. Up next we have the funnel cakes, which are my personal favorite.
Oh yeah.
I'm so excited. So we have flour, milk, sugar, water, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, and then eggs. And the video the recipe that we post, we have tripled it here so that we can make a little something else here in a minute with the batter. So at first, we're going to combine the wet ingredients. So we've got milk, the water,
Vanilla.
eggs. And then do our dry ingredients. So we have sugar, baking powder, salt.
So you've made funnel cakes before, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Mix these together.
This is foreign to me. I've only ever had funnel cakes like at Barton Coliseum.
So my dad, when he was the shooting sports coach at Magazine, he would raise money for the FFA. He was also the ag teacher. So the FFA and the shooting sports team by selling funnel cakes at the football games.
So fun.
Yes. Now we're going to add our flour slowly, and Barbara's going to combine it.
Yes. I'll let you go ahead.
I'm going to put part of it in there and let you mix it up.
Okay. So did you make these from scratch? Like, is this the recipe?
This isn't the recipe we used. No, I didn't ask. I just googled this one.
Okay, that's fair.
It looks delicious though. Essentially, we're just making pancake batter.
That's really cool.
I know.
It's just fried pancakes.
It's why they're so delicious.
It's true. I have a 9-month-old baby girl.
Yes.
Hence the reason why I have not been on an episode in a while. But over Labor Day, when we were at the state show, she had her first little bit of funnel cake.
Did she love it?
She didn't have the cake part, but I did give her the sugar part.
The powdered sugar.
Yeah, she got used to it pretty fast.
I bet she did.
And when it was time to say no more, we had to get up and walk away from the funnel cake.
See other things.
Yes.
I love funnel cakes. I'm so excited. Okay. So Barbara's gonna get our grease going. So I think the oil is hot enough, and I'm going to attempt to drizzle this so that it makes a funnel cake. Or attempt to, at least.
I'm just gonna tell you, this is just giving me great joy.
It's like the child in you.
Yes, I'm just so happy.
Ta-da!
It looks legit.
It's a funnel cake.
I know. Oh my gosh, that looks good.
It does. So now that we have fried our funnel cakes, it's time for our next surprise, which is the deep fried Oreos, Fair Oreos, which is just the funnel cake batter, but we're going to dip our Oreos in it and then fry them up.
Okay.
Let's
Easy,
do it.
easy peasy, right?
It sounds like it. I've never done this before. Okay, I'll plop it in.
Okay, and then
You do the honors. I love deep fried Oreos at the fair. So I'm really looking forward to
so I'm thinking
this. I would do it with a spoon.
you would do it with the spoon, you think?
Mhm.
You think that's
I'll hold
enough? Okay.
Okay.
This might officially be my favorite.
I know.
The first one's ready. Oh my god.
It's so perfect. It's like a little medallion or something. I don't know.
It's my kind of Olympic.
Yeah, I would like to be awarded with fried Oreos, please.
My heart is so happy. I know I'm saying that on repeat, but I just can't. I can't convey that enough.
Note to self: the part that lands on the bottom whenever you leave it in there is the part that is going to be the perfectly round.
Yes, I've noticed that.
Which makes sense, gravity, but.
So we have everything fried. We have our funnel cake and then our 2 Oreos that we're going to try. But first we're going to powder the funnel cake.
My favorite part. I know. I'm so excited. Are you gonna do the funnel cake first or the Oreo?
I'm going to do the funnel cake first.
Okay, I will be a team player and do
Okay.
it too.
Dip it in some sugar. We just made funnel cakes.
Delicious. Yes, we did.
Well, it's still warm.
It is so warm. The Oreo. Oh my goodness.
That's
So good. It's so rich.
That's why people fry Oreos.
Yes, it's almost like an Oreo ball because it got warm and mushy.
Yeah,
10 out of 10 recommend the double stuff.
absolutely.
So our last recipe is a little bit different than the ones that came before. We've had lots of sweet stuff, sugary,
Very.
but now we're going to lean into our savory side, still fried, but we're going to make fried pickle spears.
Yes.
So at first, we are going to combine our flour, cayenne, and ranch seasoning.
Okay.
We're gonna combine.
Stirred.
And then we have 3 eggs. While she does that, I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up. These look so simple. And Barbara and I both love fried pickles.
Yes. I feel like there's an ongoing debate just in the world on A, if you like fried pickles or not, and
Right.
B, if you do you prefer the spears or the
little
chips?
Yes, the chips. That's a good way to say it. I think I typically gravitate towards the chips because I like how crunchy they are.
Yeah.
But, I mean, a fried pickle is a fried pickle.
Very true.
So we have panko breadcrumbs,
Okay.
egg and flour, and then very important, the recipe is so specific that you have to get blasted.
Literally.
Yes. and you know what? I can follow that part.
Yeah, I like plastic.
Perfect. So we're going to dip these pickle spears into the first bowl. Okay, so we're going to do flour and then the egg. And then shake it off, it said. I guess that's probably why. Oh. And then back in the flour.
I obviously did not read the instructions first.
I read them like 7 times, so I should have it down by now. I just knew that I was gonna forget something. Okay, and now
It was just a test.
It was
Yeah.
I just tested
You're right. You're
I
right.
passed. And then last, we're gonna do the breadcrumbs.
We keep going.
Love it. And we've got our oil or grease in the back. It's been warming up for a little while. I think these breadcrumbs are what's gonna really make it crunchy
Yeah.
or make it a thick crust.
It's been a while since I've had a fried pickle, which
Is
is
it?
yeah.
I think the last time I ate them, you and I were together.
Oh, that's right.
We were at Rivertown Barbecue
Yes, and they
in
have
Ozark, and they have some good spicy fried pickles.
they have
Is it hot?
the spears.
They do have the spears, spicy spears.
The very first fried pickle I ever had was spears.
Oh yes, I love this story.
Yes.
You have to
So
share.
I went to university in Texas, and I was at a horse show in Waco, which is where I also went to university, and met up with one of my roommates. Also showed horses, and her mama was making fried pickles underneath the trailer, the gooseneck of the trailer.
I feel like that is so southern.
Oh, I loved it. It was
fried
so
food under the trailer.
It was so good.
Under the front of the trailer.
And they invited us over to have fried pickles, and I'd never had one before.
Or heard of them, right?
Really? No. So I thought it was a Texas thing. But then it only took that once, and I was
Hooked. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. Are we ready?
I think we're ready.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
I've always wanted to know how to make fried pickles.
I know, it has seemed so unobtainable before.
Yes.
And it's not.
It's not. This kind of crust seemed unattainable to me.
Yes.
But
Wholeheartedly agree.
those breadcrumbs are magic.
That is beautiful.
It is. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try it once without ranch, and then I'm gonna dip it in ranch. Yeah.
That's good.
Let's open a restaurant.
Yeah, let's do it.
We can do it.
At least a fried pickle truck.
Wow, that's good.
That is good. This breading is so attached to it too. I thought that it might peel away more.
Me too. I was really nervous about that.
So good. 10 out of 10. Would make these.
Oh my gosh, I'm making these 100%. I don't know that I can pick a favorite, but I think I'm partial to the lemonade today.
I really liked it too. But I think that my favorite was the fried Oreos.
Solid choice. Solid choice. Make sure to like and subscribe below.
Thanks for cooking with us today.